How to understand Thrifty fuel and EV return charges. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. For Thrifty fuel and EV return charges. For fuel, if you have not prepaid for fuel, you should make sure the fuel is at or above the level you started with at pickup. If you do not refuel and have not prepaid, you will be charged for fuel and refueling service combined. So make sure you add fuel how it was before, then only you will be able to avoid return charges. And for EV, if you return the EV at the same charge or above what you rented at, you will not be charged. If it's below, then you will be charged. And this is how to understand Thrifty fuel and EV return charges. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.